Try something new, make some changes that are long overdue. Trying to wrap my head around it, but still remain surrounded by walls that I can't seem to get through. A part of me so keen to see what I will find if I leave it all behind.
Soon, why am I holding on? We knew this day would come, we knew it all along. How did it come so fast? This is our last night, but it's late, and I'm trying not to sleep, 'cause I know when I wake I will have to slip away. And when the daylight comes, I'll have to go, but tonight I'm gonna hold you so close, 'cause in the daylight we'll be on our own, but tonight I need to hold you so close. Ooh, oh, ooh, oh, ooh, oh, ooh, oh, staring at your perfection in my arms, so beautiful. The sky is getting bright, the stars are burning out. Somebody slow it down, this is way too hard, 'cause I know when the sun comes up I will leave. This is my last glance that will soon be. And when the